Well, I started skating about the age of 11, not long after the club had started. It was started by a group of parents. We've gone on to do shows most years, so I've gone on from being in the shows to choreographing numbers and then actually directing the show for a number of years. It's a great way of the kids getting experience of skating in front of an audience and giving them more confidence. And for a lot of them, it's the first stage that they'll have been on ever, and it's a very big stage to fill.
When Dancing on Ice was on, the skaters just walked through the door. Now it's a lot harder and you have to fight for every bit of business, really. We've done a lot of promotion this year, so at the end of March we had 36 skaters going into the new season. We've now got 75. We started an on-ice cheerleading team for the Dragons hockey team. We are definitely the first on-ice cheerleader in Wales, and as far as we know, we're the first on-ice cheerleading team in the country.
We started the synchronised skating about a couple of months ago, skating together at the same time, doing the same steps at the same time, different elements. So it's proved quite popular. So we're hoping to continue and do teams and compete later on in the year.
Wel, rwyf fi'n gweld pethau am sgefrio a rwyf fi wedi seisio wneud o, a rwyf fi wedi dechrau pan rwyf fi'n 8. Mae'n hwyl oherwydd mae'n hollol gwahanol I fel popeth arall a gallu chi wneud ffrindiau yn sydyn.
I got a little bit nervous and then I just made loads of friends and then started being really good at ice skating and I just loved it.
It's like kind of a getaway from, like if you, let's say you're getting upset about other people from school, it's a nice place to get away from that. You get to see all your true friends that you see and it's enjoyable to do comps and get cheered for everyone.
The parents are just fabulous. They run the committee, they put in so much time and effort. There's aunties, uncles, grandmas, granddads, all helping out. And it just makes it a very nice, friendly place to be and a great community for the kids.